Greetings, people, in the name of Jesus Christ. Today we meet again. This is another day the Lord has made for us. Today I have something which I believe is going to motivate something as we actually be talking about the clip, or this small clip which we are in right now live at, which I've entitled The Best Comes with Jesus Christ. Why am I saying this? We are taking this from the book of John chapter 2 verse 3, and I'll just read verse 3, verse 9 and 10. Verse 3 reads, "When the wine ran out, the mother of Jesus said to him, 'They have no wine.'" The other version which I have been reading actually says the mother of Jesus went to him with this problem. Mark that one, with this problem. Then verse 9 reads, "When the master of the ceremony tasted the water now become wine, and did not know where it came from, though the servants who had drawn the water knew, the master of the ceremony called the bridegroom," verse 10, "and said to him, 'Everyone serves good wine first, and when people have drunk freely, then they pour wine, but you have kept the good wine until now.'" So from this story, there's one thing which I actually observed and seen. It was like a norm that people actually served the good or the best first, and the poor would be served at the end. But what I love now on this story is a wedding, where I believe every wedding would, everyone would prepare the best for everything. And in this case, we have a wine prepared for the wedding, which everyone is believing to be the best. But one thing I have realized is, remember, we have Jesus Christ in our life. The best always comes with Jesus Christ. Why am I saying this? Listen to this one now. According to human standards, they had made what they thought this is best. They had made the wine which they thought this is the best. But here comes my Jesus with a miraculous wine which has been made from water. And that wine is the one which even the bride, the feast ceremony is the one who is now describing it as the best. One thing I noticed there, that everything that has Jesus in it will always come out the best. I don't know whatever you are doing, or whosoever you are meeting with, or what kind of a job you are doing. But one thing I know is, if you have Jesus in that thing that you are doing, you are always different. The way you do your things will always be different. I'm actually talking to somebody who is yet to receive Jesus in his life. That take not even listen to this story. That which Jesus did put a hand on is the one that became the best. I believe you also need Jesus in your life for you to be the best. I believe you also need Jesus in everything that you are doing, so that it will be the best. Remember, what they thought was the best, where the human thinking has ended. Now here comes my Jesus with the miraculous actually water which has turned into wine, which is now being actually described as the best. One thing I realized there is, this is water, something which we know is actually tasteless. I don't know what kind of a person you are, or the kind of background you have. I don't know what type of a family you are coming from. I don't mind about that. But what I know is, for that family to change, you need Jesus Christ in your life. For you to become the best, and that family to be actually one of the outstanding, you need Jesus Christ in your life. We are talking of water. Water which is tasteless. You drink it because you are supposed to drink it, not because it tastes good. But this is the very same water which become the best. Why? Because Jesus did put a hand on it. So whether you are poor or you believe wherever you are going to remain poor, let me tell you something, my brother. That poverty-stricken family that you are coming from can be changed if you have Jesus in your life. Speak Jesus, live with Jesus within you. Your situation will be changed. Whatsoever you are doing, if you want to be the best, always include Jesus. I have met people who always say, "No, I can't even do this business." Why? Because there's now a lot of people and there's lots of competition in it. And I may not have customers. It's not about that, my brother. Go into it. You have Jesus in your life. As long as you have Jesus in your life, your customers will always come. Whatsoever number of people who are doing that business, yours will always come and you'll always be the best. Why? Because of Jesus. Look into this story. People had made and thought this is the best wine. Everyone else, even me, when I'm preparing for my wedding, prepared the wine which they thought is best. But now here comes my Jesus now. The wine which he only touched. The wine which is coming from water. I mean water which I believe at that function nobody even didn't want to drink. I mean water which is actually tasteless as a function or at a party nobody would want to drink it. Everyone would want to go for that best wine or best drink. But here comes my Jesus. He changes that water and it becomes best. My brother, your business, you need Jesus. So here comes the thing now. Yes, people had made what they had made. Yes, people got standards which they expect. Yes, your family has been in poverty for long. Yes, I understand the stress which you are going through. Yes, I understand the fear that you have even into getting something. But as long as you have Jesus in your life, let me assure you somebody, the best is always coming. We are talking of water, and the water became the best wine. We are talking of someone who once lived even in a farm. But here he stands telling you of extra things that God has done. That's the water which I'm talking about. Your situation must never detect where you are going. Your situation must never define you. But let Jesus mold you and define you to be the best amongst the best. Be it education, be it at your university, be it at your workplace. As long as you have Jesus, I tell you, my brother, all the merits, all the distinction, everything that you desire of will be yours also. You will always be outstanding. Why? Everything which Jesus had actually put a hand upon actually becomes the best. There is no one, even the dead, they will be raised. Why? Because Jesus had intervened into that. You need Jesus, my sister. You need Jesus in everything that you are doing. With this, I thank you for watching this video. I know it's going to transform you for the better. And those we are actually introducing something new. We will be on YouTube. We only search Rowan Madzamba, or you search Word and Deliverance with Rowan Madzamba on YouTube. Every clip that we are doing will also be uploaded there. You can start to check even after an hour or so. This one will also be uploaded there. Allow me to acknowledge my father as I go out now. My father, Prophet TK Mandiriza, for his covering and the anointing, and in this season of excellence. I know your testimony is certain. Why am I saying so? Because Jehovah is my source and your source. Thank you so much for watching. See you on Friday.